Okay. Here, look what came out. I can see it from outside. Can you take a pic at it? Wow. Look at this, guys. Little blind bags. One from Fingerlings. So let's see which little cutie pie are we starting to collect today. From Thomas and Friends. Let's see which little train do we have. From Toy Story. Look at this. And from My Little Pony movie. Okay, let's begin with this one. And we're opening it. And we're opening it. Look at this, guys. She is so cute. Her name is Applejack. Look at this cute pony. She looks so pretty. As you can see, there's many more you can collect. We have Applejack. Okay, guys. Let's put her right here. She can stand up. As you can see, she can stand up in 2 legs. And she looks so cute. Now let's open the fingerlings. Oh, look at this. That is so cute. Fingerling, so you can put it as a bracelet. And then it just stays right there. You can put it on pencils, hang it from your bracelet, put it on your finger. How many wonderful things you can do with these little monkeys. That is awesome. So here we have a bracelet. You can open it right here. This little pink bracelet. Put on this little blue diamond. Close it. And here we have the little monkey. It can hang from the bracelet, which is really cute. That's very cute. Look at this. Let's try to put on the bracelet. See, guys, look at this. You can try it at home. You can get one and it's so much fun. Okay, this little monkey can also hug your finger. See? Little monkey, blue little monkey. Let's put him to a side. Now let's open the Toy Story. Wow! It's little Buzz Lightyear. Look at him. Look at him. He is ready for his adventure. Ooh. And last but not least, Thomas. Okay, let's see. Look at this, guys. Look how many trains can you actually collect. This is so cool. This is awesome. So if you decide to collect Thomas little minis, you can always cross them out on the little white squares, which means that you have them. There are many, many, many of them. So this is what we have. Sugar Daddy. Caramel Pop. Look at this. So it looks like a little chocolate bar. Looking at it, if I feel like I want to eat it. Okay, so let's put him to a side. Awesome. Now let's see what we have. Little car, Buzz Lightyear, little kitty cat, little pony, where she can stand up, Elsa, little dinosaur, and little fingerling. Okay, let's take a closer look at it. Can you see them? Wow, this is so cool. Okay, guys, so we are done for today. Yes, Ruffles wants to say bye. Say bye, Ruffles. Say bye. Good boy. Good boy, Ruffles. But don't eat them. Don't eat them, Ruffles. Don't. Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.